Hey guys, it's Puppy though, and I'm here with a kind of this vlog video. I know you can't see me, it's really dark, I'm really sorry. But there's like a light over here, I don't know, you can kind of see my hand, I'm waving. Let's see, there's kind of a light over here. So, I am heading from, I'm not gonna say really, to somewhere, I'm just gonna say California. Me and my parents, well, my mom and my grandma and me, we're gonna go to see Sans the Skeleton. My cousin, we're gonna go see him. We're gonna go like visit him, and then with that, we're gonna go to San Diego. So we're gonna pick my aunt and my cousin up. So technically, Puppy Doe and Sans the Skeleton are gonna be reunited again. It's been like 4 months since we seen each other right now. Sorry, it's like 5 in the morning, so I can barely talk. And then this is kind of gonna be a vlog video, and just gonna go see him, and then yeah, hopefully it's gonna be soon. Since it's like 5, it's like 5 hours to get to him, so we might get to him in like 12 or 11, who knows. But around that time, because we usually get over there at that time, and since at my new house, we're kind of a little bit further, then yeah. So, I'll see you guys when it's lighter, like the sun's out, because as you can see, it's like 5 in the morning, so it's really dark, so bye. Stop for some food. Makes sense.
La línea directa. Te aconsejo que lo que necesitan 4 ciruelas, una rebanada de melón, 5 uvas.
We're close.
Identificación 157851. El nuevecito 2018
Getting ready. Tell him.
Por solo 19,998.
Where is he?
Identificación 579770. Este comercial de Freeway Chevrolet estaría incompleto sin un buen trato en la Silverado. Llévate la nuevecita 2018 Silverado 1500 Full Cab por solo 29,998. Identificación 121874. Los precios no incluyen impuestos, título y otros cargos. Las ofertas incluyen Conquest Cash, que requiere propietarios de marcas seleccionadas que no sean.
I want to get off right now.
El distribuidor para más detalles. Algunas ofertas sujetas a aprobación de crédito.
Okay. Ready? Hey. Hello. I know. I'm gonna block it. Don't worry.
Okay. Anyways, what were you doing? Hi. How are you? Good.
Hi, Katie. Up close.